Sometimes, life breaks you before it builds you, and that is exactly where your journey to becoming a successful man begins, right in the middle of your struggle. You don't rise because everything is easy. You rise because you refuse to stay where life left you. Success is not about showing the world how strong you are. It's about showing yourself how strong you can become. Wake up every morning with the courage to face your fears, with the discipline to do what your emotions resist, and with the belief that even small progress counts. Stop waiting for perfect conditions. Start with what you have, where you are, and who you are right now. Cut off the habits that drain your energy. Distance yourself from people who only celebrate your failures, and protect your dream like it's the only thing you truly own. You don't owe anyone explanations for your late nights, your sacrifices, or your loneliness. This path is yours, and one day the same people who doubted you will tell others how they once knew you. Remember, the world doesn't give you what you wish for. It gives you what you work for, cry for, fight for, and never give up on. Stand up, straighten your back, and build the man you were meant to become. The future you is counting on you today.